Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create demo account on MetaTrader 5. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, first open up your MetaTrader 5 app and then tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner. Then from over here, tap on this option of new account option given on top. Then if you have existing accounts, it will show up like this. Otherwise, tap on this plus icon on top right corner to create a new one. Once you've tapped on the plus icon, this is how the interface is going to look like. Tap on this option of Meta Codes Ltd dot. Now from over here, tap on this option of demo account. And then you will have to fill in information. Go ahead, add in your first name, last name, your mobile number, your email right over there, and your information like your server, your account type, your leverage, how much you would like to add, your deposit. And then once you've added information, make sure to turn this toggle on the accept as well, and tap on register at the bottom right given. And there you go, your account has been created. Now you can tap on, you can see your information including your login and password as well. Tap on the star at the bottom and it shall be started using it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.